Most people get this wrong. They assume all online personal loans are the same. But the surprising truth about Viva Loans is that it offers fast, flexible loans with straightforward terms that can be a good fit if you understand the details. Viva Loans provides unsecured personal loans ranging from a few hundred to several $1,000s, often with short repayment periods. The application process is quick. You can apply it online and receive approval decisions in minutes, with funds deposited as soon as the next business day. From my usage experience, the process is simple and transparent. Interest rates vary based on your credit score, so borrowers with good credit get the best rates. One thing to note is that loans can be expensive for those with lower scores, so it's important to calculate the total repayment amount before accepting. Repayment is flexible. You can usually set up autopay, and extra payments toward the principal are allowed, helping reduce interest. Customer support is responsive via chat and phone, which is a plus compared to some online lenders. The surprising truth about Viva Loans is that while the platform is fast and convenient, it's not a magic fix for debt. Borrow responsibly and ensure you can meet repayment obligations, or the interest and fees can accumulate quickly. In conclusion, Viva Loans is a solid option for short-term, emergency, or planned expenses if you value speed and convenience and if you borrow within your means. For responsible borrowers, it can be a useful tool, but always compare rates and terms before committing. Subscribe for more honest financial reviews to help you make safe and smart borrowing decisions.